Sloe Patrol, the narrowboat that James built. Hope you're well, thanks for joining me. Today is the day to show you around. It's in presentation mode plus, so this is as good as I've ever had it. Well, I've just bought this boat. So this is the inside. So we're going to have the lounge area here, where we currently are. This is where the bedroom's going to be. And there's another hatch at the end. Takes out into the bow. And it's nice and bright and airy. It's fantastic. And this is the engine bay, quite a big cruiser stern. And then up on the top. Well, that was original footage from the day I bought the boat back in October 2020. There'll be some people that say they can't spot the difference between the way the boat looks between then and now, but there was a lot of work to do on this old girl. So let's cue the music and get cracking. At this moment, the boat was taking shape. The Bethnal Green looked good on the outside. There was certain work getting done on the inside, so all was good. But then, all of a sudden, I found this. There is water in the bottom of the bilge. Now, that is considerably less water than there was in there when I cut this hole out of panic and worry. The team spring to action and we're able to get Sloe Patrol onto the trolley for us to inspect the base plate and see if we can find that hole.
Hole is there? I think it's that one dripping.
See that? Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, that is just...
No doubt, with a screwdriver I'll probably be able to poke right the way through that.
Yeah?
Oh my god.
It's just big as that screwdriver. Look.
Thanks to you guys coming to my rescue and the crane coming to North Kilworth, we were able to get Sloe Patrol out of the water and onto the chocks, just in time for some new steel to arrive for the base plate. Whilst on dry land, I took the opportunity to get some more blacking on her, do some detailing at the front, and most importantly, get the signage done. Sloe Patrol is 43 foot long. She is set out in a reverse layout, which means the galley is at the back of the boat. To keep the feel of the boat quite open and spacious, I've opted for no cupboards on the upper walls. There's plenty of storage on starboard side in the galley and underneath the worktop in the form of cupboards and 3 drawers. The oven is gas powered and is a Thetford duplex, which means it's got a oven and a grill function. The hobs are also gas and are also Thetford. And there ends the tour of the kitchen. Now onto the lounge, which comprises a dinette, and I'm hoping that whoever has the boat next changes the dinette cushions, but for the moment I am making do. But the main features of the dinette include a Hamlet stove. This is a 4 kilowatt stove which warms the boat and heats the boat perfectly. The dinette comfortably seats 1 and kind of less comfortably 2 or 3, but can sleep 1 person on it. And with the fire lit, this is a very, very snug room, made all more snug when the doors closed. And through this door is the bathroom. The shower really does have decent hot and cold water pressure, and like all quality boat builders, the bilge pump is accessible from inside the shower. There are 2 inspection hatches in the floor in the bathroom. One is a service point for the shower. The other one is a inspection hatch to access the base plate, although there are 2 base plates, so you can only access one of them. Anyway. And as we leave the bathroom heading into the bow cabin, we walk past quite literally the walk-through wardrobe. Other than the walk-through wardrobe, the only other thing this bedroom really has in it is a double bed. It's got a raised sleeping platform there at the bow, but if you have extra people staying or someone really tall, you can do this, which with the mattress inlay makes it into a super king size with loads of storage underneath. And there ends the tour of the bedroom and the boat. Well, there you go. What do you think? Sloe Patrol at her best. Don't know how long it's going to last. I've got some lamb chops to marinate now because Rob and I are having a barbecue here by the reservoirs. But she is an absolute dream to be on. Really is. I wish I'd done it. I wish I'd finished her sooner because she's just so enjoyable to be on. I've just got to keep her clean now. I did on the last video promise you a bit of a treat for this one. I don't know if you class this as a treat or not, but on the next one there's a treat for you guys. Thank you so much for watching back then and now. Until next time, take care. Bye bye. Here you go, bud.